Hi, are you having a bakery or restaurant and you want to manage it with or without stock? You want to switch over at any time? Then Big POS system has the option. Let us see how. So this is the admin settings. Once you get inside, you have the option to set the branch master. So you might have multiple branches, but you don't want to manage stock in few branches. So you have the option. So you can edit any branch or you can create a new branch. So you have the stock settings with stock or without stock. So you can either switch over this. So what will happen is, at the time when the billing is going on, if you don't have the stock, if you don't have the stock in the sense you have not added the stock manually inside the POS system, automatically that won't be a problem. Your billing will go on at any time. But if you click with stock, only then if you have added the stock, the billing can happen, otherwise you cannot place the bill. Let us see how. So now we are in the branch setting. Once it is complete, now I am inside the BigDibus branch. So here you have sales option. When you click it, when you click a particular product, it will show you the quantity which is available right now. It has 11 quantity, 12 and 5. So till you have the stock, it will work. When the stock gets depleted into 0, you cannot place the order when you select the option with stock. When you click the option without stock, even it goes into minus, the billing will go on. So this is a way you can switch over to with and without stock at any time for any type of branches. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to have a detailed demo about this BigDibus billing POS, then kindly contact us at 9123 515 998 or visit our website given below in the description box.